On April 15th, I took a final look at my garden, hoping that I left it in the best shape that I possibly could. And 3 weeks later, I returned May 7th, and wow, what a visual difference just in 3 weeks. I can't believe how quickly the onions have grown. They look fantastic. And behind that are the peas. Wow, didn't expect them to be quite so big, but they look wonderful, and it looks like I'll be eating peas sooner than later. All the peas I planted was with older seed. I'm impressed at how well they all came up. So planted a little thick, but lots of peas. My parsley that I fussed over so much all winter long has completely gone to flower. Kind of too bad, but I'll have to pay attention and make sure that I'm able to collect the seed. I might as well let it go ahead and just bloom out. On this side of the little greenhouse is an area that'll mainly be tomatoes and peppers. But while I was gone, the wind and all the storms they had sort of wreaked havoc in this area. And it's going to take a bit of work to get it all fixed up. 2 days after I was home, I was just dying to get into the garden and get some things planted. So I ran to the nursery and got a flat of peppers and a flat of tomatoes, because I had not yet had a chance to start my own seeds. So I will be doing that next. I got busy really quickly to get these peppers and tomato plants in. I am very far behind. I got the black paths straightened out so that I could use that as my straight edge for planting the peppers and tomatoes. Once the peppers were all in, I used my metal basket / hoops to help stake the pepper plants and keep the critters out. The cats just love to lay on my plants. I did have one big epic failure while I was away. I'll live, but I'm disappointed. I had picked all these wonderful dandelions, set them in the greenhouse to dry, and they went to seed. Bummer. This is last year's. I had such a good crop, but there will be another year with many, many more dandelions. So I really can't complain after being gone for 3 full weeks and no one watching over the garden. I can't complain. It certainly has grown into weedy anchors once again. This is Minnie. Hey, Minnie. Yeah. You my garden keeper? Yeah, Minnie likes to be in the garden.